everybody, how are you? I have such a cute little story for you. It's about this shape, square shape, right? So I'm going to tell the story, and then you go and get a piece of paper and make a triangle. Take the corner of the paper and take it down to the side, and whatever's left here, cut off, and you'll be left with a square shape. And then you can do the story with me later. So right now I'm going to read the story to you, and then you can do it later. Mother Square and Father Square were very proud of their son, Baby Square. He was such a nice boy, and all of his sides were exactly the same size. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exactly the same size, just like a square should be. But Baby Square was not happy. He was tired of being a square. "You could change yourself, you know," said his friend Cricket. "How?" asked Baby Square. "Well, you're made of paper, and paper folds very easily. Just fold yourself," answered Cricket. So Baby Square folded himself in half. What shape is that? A rectangle. That's right. "Look," he said, "I'm a rectangle. And I just look like a tall building," said Baby Square. But Baby Square looked so different and so tall that Cricket didn't recognize him, and he hopped away. "Well, I didn't want to be a rectangle anyway," said Baby Square, "and I'll unfold myself and try something else." So he unfolded himself. I guess Baby unfolded himself. Then he put his top corner and the opposite bottom corner together. Here we go, the top corner and the opposite bottom corner. He put them together, and he made himself into what shape? A triangle. That's right. Oh wow, Baby Square was now a triangle. Looked just like a big mountain, he thought. He was so proud to be a big mountain, so he stood straight and tall and waited to be noticed. But his friends the birds flew by and never said a word. "Well, I guess no one talks to a big mountain. I'll fold myself smaller." So Baby Square brought his bottom corners together and made a crease in the middle. He brought his bottom corners, 1, 2, together, and made a crease in the middle. Ooh, look, now he's a smaller triangle. "Now I'm a small mountain." "Wait until everyone sees me," says Baby Square. And so Baby Square brought, whoops, mountain. Baby Square stood in the same spot for hours. More friends passed by, but no one stopped. Baby Square flipped himself over and stood on his point, and still no one noticed him. "So much for being a mountain, or even an upside down mountain," said Baby Square. "My point is killing me. Let me fold it up." Baby Square folded his bottom point upwards until it was even with the top of the edge. Then creased the bottom and let go of the point. Oh, look at that. "Look at this! I'm a boat! Mother, Father, come look! I'm a boat, and I can see all the way. Sail anywhere in the world, said Baby Square. Mother and Father Square cried at the sight of their baby Square. They talked and talked, but Baby Square refused to listen. They followed him to the seashore, begging and pleading, but Baby Square was determined to be a boat and see the world. They watched as he set out, the waves carrying him away. Goodbye, Mother and Father, yelled Baby Square. Oops, I'm sinking. Oh, glub, glub, glub. Oh my goodness. Baby Square felt himself sinking in the water. Then he felt himself being lifted in the air. Baby Square and said his friends, the birds, you're paper, and paper doesn't belong in the water. Hang on, said the birds, and Babe laid Baby Square down on the shore. Mother and Father Square unfolded him. Go unfold Baby Square. And soon he was nice and dry, and he could stand up. Let's go home, said Baby Square. I've been a silly Baby Square. It was no fun being a tall building or a tall, small mountain. It was no fun being upside down mountain. And it was terrible being a boat. I'm a nice square with equal sides, and I'm going to stay that way. Well, that is a good decision, Baby Square. There we go, Baby Square. He chose to try something different, but he realized he likes being a square because he's even on all sides. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Thank you for listening to the story of Baby Square. Now you go get your paper and you try and fold up into a triangle, first into a rectangle like a tall building, then into a triangle like a mountain, then into another triangle which is smaller like a mountain, and then he went upside down, and then he chose to turn up his triangle end and make himself a boat, which didn't work out very well for him, did it? All right, my friends, have fun and see you next time. Bye.